Okay guys, today is wash day. I installed these faux locks about 3 weeks ago. I work out about 5, 6 times a week. So my braids was stankin'. I had a tea tree color care shampoo. I mixed a little bit of Dr. Bronner's like body wash in a color bottle with a lot of hot water, and I'm really focusing the shampoo on my scalp, not really trying to disturb my locks. Yeah, everything is tingly and minty, so that's why I got the ugly burny face, because we all know showering and washing your hair in the shower is difficult, but it has to be done. We know a healthy scalp promotes healthy hair growth, so I'm really focusing my energy on my scalp. This is about my second shampoo, so I go through, rinse that product out. Yep, swallowed shampoo. Now I'm really focusing on the actual extensions, making sure that I got all of the suds and dirty water out, taking my time to wring each one out. As you can see, like the water is out. Guys, you might want to have to shampoo your hair a couple times. I'm only showing once, but I think I did this about 2 or 3 times to make sure I got all the sweat, all the dirt, all the edge control. Now I'm just bringing my hair up or pinning it up so I can like get out and not be dripping all over the place. And I'm singing. I have no idea what I'm singing. Okay, put your hair up, sis. Come on. Again, just really squeezing out that moisture. When you shampoo your hair with extensions, whether it's a sew-in or braids, you have to get rid of that moisture. My real hair sticking out, I'm not worried about that. I'm using a leave-in conditioner. I chose to do that over an actual like rinse out conditioner because I didn't want the residue. Making sure that my real hair is getting really conditioned, and now we dry. Once my hair was completely dry, I did a little lock maintenance and threw on some edge control, and boom, clean faux locks.